Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase the font size of your iPhone. To increase the font size of your iPhone so that you can read text more easily, let's get started. First of all, unlock your iPhone and tap open the Settings app. Once you're inside the Settings app, go ahead and scroll down until you find the Display and Brightness option and tap on it. Inside Display and Brightness, tap on Text Size. Now a slider will appear at the bottom. Simply drag the slider to the right to increase your text size or the font size. If you want the text size to be even larger, then you can go back to the Settings menu and tap on Accessibility. Under Accessibility, tap on Display and Text Size. Now tap on the larger text option and then toggle on the button right next to larger accessibility size. Now you can go ahead and drag the slider so that you can have even larger text on your iPhone. Go ahead and adjust the slider, and then once you are done, you can then successfully increase the size of your font on your iPhone. So that's how it's quickly and easily done. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more helpful iPhone tips. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.